We're back with another chocolate review. This time we're going to do Kit Kats, and we are in Canada, and 2 O. Henrys. So we're going to start with, the first one is a Kit Kat popcorn. Kit Kat popcorn.
I'm excited to try this one for some reason.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see what this tastes like.
I wonder if it's not even in 2. You have to
No, it's not in 2. It's a solid
chocolate bar.
Solid chocolate bar.
It's just one that I go.
Yeah. So let's see. Maybe we can. Oh, it's in little teeny pieces.
You just can't feel the bump.
Yeah. So it is divided in 3. So I'm going to see if I can
Break it
off. Oh, it breaks off pretty easy. There you go. Oops. Okay, ready?
It smells like popcorn and chocolate.
It actually has popcorn in it. Do you see? It's
like
actually got popcorn in it.
It's like what I like to do at the movie theaters. I like to put my candy in my popcorn.
So when you first bite into it, it's just chocolate. But then you can taste the salt from the popcorn. Can you taste the salt? Like after the fact? After.
If you like sweet and salty, I think you might like these.
Exactly. Sweet and salty. This is your candy bar. Wow. So again, that was the Kit Kat popcorn edition. That's not bad, actually. Not bad.
Yeah. That's
Sip.
kind of good.
Sip to clean our palate and get the popcorn taste out. Okay. The next one is Kit Kat hazelnut. Kit Kat hazelnut. So I guess you wouldn't be able to. Oh, it's yeah. And this one you can break apart. I can feel that there's 4.
And it's hazelnut flavored.
Hazelnut
There's not actual
flavored.
hazelnuts in
So
it.
let's just see what's in here.
So if like you can't have hazelnuts or like and
Well,
you like hazelnuts, it says right on the front.
Oh, for peanuts? Yeah.
And like you can't have, but you can have chocolate, and you like hazelnuts or nuts. Perfect. Because it also says on the front hazelnut flavored.
Hazelnut flavored, but I don't know if you have peanut allergies. I would just look into this a little bit more. So, oh, it's already broken.
Oh, I think. Oh, so, yeah.
It's already. So we'll just. Here you go. Ready?
Oh yeah, I can taste it.
Can you?
It almost, for some reason, it almost tastes like jelly. When I
like Nutella.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing the Nutella.
Nutella.
Yeah, at first I thought it was tasting jelly, but now I taste Nutella.
It's not bad.
I like it, and it does not have any like. It's only hazelnut flavored. But there is probably still nuts in it. I don't know.
Anyways, that was the Kit Kat.
Oh.
Hazelnut flavor. Yeah. It was okay. And then the next one is Kit Kat Rolo edition. Kit Kat Rolo. I love Rolos. And if you don't know what a Rolo is, so it's caramel in the center of chocolate, and they're little round. They're about this big, and they're a little round. You just pop them in.
Those.
Rolos.
I don't think I've ever had one. But
A Rolo? You've had a Rolo. I love Rolos. Okay, so again, this is a single chocolate bar.
I know.
In 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the first one.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
That is going to be... Okay, I'm going to break it again. Just because... Whoa. That is some caramel.
Yeah.
Okay. Mmm. I like this one because I like caramel. Caramel. What do you think?
I feel like it's not really like a Rolo. I think they
Well-
just added caramel in it.
Well, they added caramel in it because it's... So a Rolo doesn't have the wafer cookie in it that Kit Kat has. But if you like caramel, you'll like that one. So, yeah.
Kit Kat.
I like it.
Rolo.
I would give that one out of 5. I would give that one a 4.
Out of 5, this one's probably like a 3.
3 for you. And then the hazelnut one, I would give that one a 3. And then the popcorn one, I would give that one a 4 too, because it's sweet and salty.
The popcorn one, I would give it a 5. I love that one.
Yeah.
And then which one is this one? The hazelnut one, I would maybe give it a 4.
4. Okay, so the next one we have is Kit Kat peanut butter. And this is a big bar.
Yeah.
Chunky peanut butter. So we will see what this tastes like. I'm not a big fan of peanuts, but
I like peanut butter.
I like peanut butter, but I don't like
It's
peanuts.
like me and ketchup. I don't like tomatoes, but I love ketchup.
Yeah, same. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it comes in 2 big bars. 2 big bars. And it says on there hashtag my break. I don't know if you can see that. Ugh, okay, so it just snapped open. What do we see?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter, but I don't see any peanuts. Bud. Oh. Wow, I can taste peanut butter, but bud. Sorry. The cat wants to come. Mmm.
I can really taste the peanut butter. It's
This
so
is good.
I think I'll give this one a 5 too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I like this one. Just because. Bye-bye.
Cat break.
That was a Kit Kat break. Haha.
That one's actually
Okay.
pretty good.
I like that one. For me, that's a 5 out of 5. So you got your peanut butter, but there's saltiness of the peanuts, like roasted peanuts, but there are 0 peanuts in this.
Well, peanut butter has peanuts.
I know, but there's no like actual peanuts.
Yeah. It's literally, it almost like, I don't have words for it. It's so good. Literally tastes like there's actual peanut butter in here, which there probably is.
There is peanut butter in there.
And I love peanut butter.
So there's peanut butter in there, but no peanuts. So 5 out of 5 for me on that one. Okay, so the next ones we're gonna do, if you don't know what an O. Henry is, an O. Henry actually has peanuts in it. And I wanted to try them because sometimes they're okay. It just depends on how many actual, like, whole peanuts are in it. So this is the Reese's Peanut Butter O. Henry bar. And this is new. I've not seen this one before.
Peanut butter after peanut butter.
Peanut butter
Yeah.
after peanut butter. Like, you can't have too much peanut butter.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see what they look like. Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Wow. Whew. So there's two there. So we're going to just split one open.
They might not look big on camera, but they are actually like
There you go. So
pretty
you
big.
can see the peanuts. And actual peanuts.
And I'm not a too big of a fan for peanuts.
And peanut butter right in the center. Right in the center. Okay.
It's a little chewy.
It's chewy. It's crunchy because the peanuts. I'm going to give it a 3.
I'm gonna give it
Just
a
because
4.
You're going to give it a
No,
4?
not a 4, 2.
You're going to give it a 2? Is it because of the peanuts?
Yeah, and also like I don't taste too much of the
Peanut
Reese's,
butter? With a Reese's peanut?
like
It is crunchy because of the peanuts. But
and also
I don't taste Reese's peanut.
I think there might be a little bit of caramel in here.
Mm.
And it's also making it like harder to chew. Like
Well, because of the... Yeah. There's caramel in there for sure. It's okay.
probably not.
It's
my
okay.
favorites.
I mean, if you like peanuts, peanut butter, and caramel, you're going to like it. Like, it's not a terrible chocolate bar. It's just, again, I don't like peanuts, really. I thought the peanuts would be smaller, but they're like whole half peanuts.
I might have to grab some more water soon.
Well, we only got one more bar. So this is the next one, and this is heavy. Here, feel this. That's a heavy bar. That's
It's
a
literally
heavy...
so heavy. It might not
chocolate bar.
look heavy, but it actually is like so heavy.
It is a heavy chocolate bar. And so this is the O. Henry Nutty Crunchy. This is going to have a lot of peanuts in it.
It's probably going to be like every single peanut
It's
in
going
the
to have...
world.
That's why it's so heavy. It's got actual peanuts in it. Oh my gosh. Look at the peanuts.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that. It is totally covered in peanuts.
And then on the inside, I think I saw some peanut butter.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
is it hard to break?
It is. Yeah. So there is peanut butter inside, coated with peanuts. Okay. I don't know. I don't know about this one.
Like, you know how peanut butter is like supposed to be like a little bit soft? You can't even squeeze it because how much the peanuts are. Like, I'm trying as hard as I can. You could only squeeze it like this much down. I'm giving this one a 1. Too much nuts.
A 1.
1.
I mean, if you really like peanuts, if peanuts are your go-to nut snack, you're gonna like this. Salty, just like peanuts, salted peanuts,
It's not even sweet at all.
no sweetness,
And it's supposed to be like a chocolate bar.
0 sweetness. It is mostly salty.
Just don't even call this a chocolate bar. Just call it a granola bar.
Exactly. This is like a granola bar. This isn't a
instead
chocolate
of
bar.
granola, it's nuts. It's too nutty. I don't think I will be able to finish it.
Yeah. A 1.
Yeah,
A
for
1.
sure.
So
Least favorite out of them all. All.
no.
Instead of saving the best for last, we saved the worst for last.
We did. Anyways, until next time, we're trying to bring in some more Canadian-made chocolate bars. And, yeah. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.